Buy. The Air Jordan 4 Reimagined Bread, I'm giving away a pair to one of you guys watching this video. To enter this free giveaway for a pair of Reimagined Bread 4s, all you guys need to do is smash that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now. Comment down below. Let me know what size you need in the Reimagined Bread 4s. They will fit true to size. This is the 2019 pair, but don't worry, I am giving away an early pair of the Bread 4s, Reimagined Bread 4s. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube the beginning of February. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck on a free pair of Reimagined Bread 4s. Make sure you guys DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Good luck. Sneakerheads, this sneaker bag is cheaper than the competitors. They hold up to 4 pairs of sneakers up to a size 15. These dividers come out, they move around. You also have room for your clothes, laptop, chargers, everything you need in one bag when you're traveling. With your purchase, you also get included another bag as well. It comes with it, no extra purchase necessary. You can also put your sneakers. As you guys can see, I've lost and founds in here. You can put whatever you want inside of this bag as well. And also with your purchase comes a warranty with every single bag. And make sure you guys also don't forget to check out Crease Guards with their Crease Guard protectors as well. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards with their sneaker bag, as well as the Crease Guards link down below in the description. These bags are the most affordable sneaker bags on the market. Make sure you guys use my code Danny40 for 40% off your entire order. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards link down below. Thank you, Crease Guards, for sponsoring today's video. Here you go, sir. Have a nice day. What a beautiful day. Another lovely day helping sneakerheads. I love this job. Ooh! The phone is ringing. Hello, this is Foot Locker. Danny speaking. How may I help you? Hi, do you guys have the new Jordan 11s? And how much are they with tax? Yes, we have the new 11s. And with tax, those come out to $252.69. Oh, wow. Okay, thanks. Do you guys have the new Jordan 1s in a size 10? And if you do, how much are those with tax? Yes, we have those as well. Full size run, and with tax, those come out to $193.86. Damn, man. What happened to $150 plus tax? What is going on with these prices? This is outrageous. This is ridiculous, man. This just makes me not want to buy sneakers anymore. Jordans are just too damn expensive nowadays. I hear you, bro. I hear you. Prices have gone up. I know, everything's expensive, life's getting expensive, I hear you, but $250? What is going on with these prices? This is outrageous. Goodbye, man. Thanks, have a good day. $252. Damn, man, when did Jordans become so expensive? Bro, don't you know Nike wants that resale money? Man, shut up, bro. No one asked you. If you guys enjoy the skits here on the channel, let me know down below in the comments. You can also let me know by smashing that like button. If this video can get 300 likes, that'll let me know that you guys really enjoy the skits. And I'll do more of them. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Now, let's get into this unboxing because I'm telling you guys right now to buy this sneaker. Buy them while you can before it's too late. Listen, the price, I cannot stress it enough. They're going to go up, okay? This sneaker is going to go up. In this day and market, yes, shoes are down. Prices are not really going up. In fact, a lot of shoes are going on sale. This sneaker, no, not at all. The complete opposite. This shoe, of course, sold out. Had a lot of hype. Still has a lot of hype. Will always be sought after if you ask me. Because of the original one being still sought after so many years later, well, there's no way that these are not going to remain sought after years later as well. Right here we do have the all black box. You got the logo, the Kobe logo, RIP of course to Kobe. The box is very nice. You do have the scales. I like the box a lot, all black. And yeah, man, these are gonna go up. These are gonna go up and up. Wow, these are really nice. These are beautiful in hand. Beautiful in hand. I am shocked. Have I seen these? I don't think I've seen these in person. This is my first time, and I must say, yeah, I need a personal. I definitely need a personal. The Reverse Grinch Kobe 6. Listen, guys, prices. Oh my. Oh my. Alright, so market, depending on size, is kind of all over the place. They're anywhere from like $350 all the way up to like $550. So market's pretty much everywhere, maybe even $600 depending on size. Market's everywhere, but I'm going to tell you guys, listen, buy them. Because we all know what happens with the Grinch sneakers from Kobe. Right? The Kobe 6 Grinch has always been a very sought after sneaker years down the line. Back when I got into shoes in 2010, that's when the original Grinch dropped, and they were sought after immediately. Everybody wanted the original Grinch. Then prices went up and up and up. Then finally, in 2020, they decided to retro them. They were going for a lot of money then still, but they were still more affordable. Prices dropped, right? And now if you go look at the Grinch, they're back up. They're completely back up. So this right here, the Reverse Grinch, is, in my opinion, I'm going to say it, this might be controversial. Let me know your thoughts. Pick one, but I'm going to go Reverse Grinch. I think is better than the original Grinch. I think these are more wearable. I think these are just a better sneaker than the original Grinch. Just my opinion. I definitely need a personal pair. These are crazy, crazy good. Now, back to the price, guys. Listen, I'm telling you to buy them because I do expect prices to go up and skyrocket. I do think they're going to become more expensive. We are hoping and anticipating another release on the Mambacita website. Will it happen? Who knows at this point? We were hoping and anticipating it happening on Christmas Day. It did not happen. So, will it happen? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? It could, but we all know that the price is not going to be significantly affected if that does wind up happening anyway. So, I definitely recommend picking up the Reverse Grinch if you guys want them, if they're a great, personal for you. If you don't have a Kobe, I think this is one to get. I truly do. I think this is one of the best Kobe's I've ever seen. And if you ask me, I've ever laid my eyes on. This is definitely up there for me. So I think these are great. They don't come with any extra laces. I wish they did. It's just the green. I wish they came with black or red laces, but just green. So you do have to go with the green unless you want to swap them out. Green. Just really loud. R.I.P. to Kobe. Man, they did a great job with the Reverse Grinch. Finally, have them in hand at least. Not a personal, but at least I have them in hand to look at. And yeah, I definitely got to get my hands on a pair. I will have a pair coming soon. They're already on the way. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel for that. Make sure you guys subscribe. And let me know down below in the comments what you think about the Reverse Grinch Kobe's. Crazy good shoe. Crazy good. This is like up there, one of my favorite Kobe's of all time. I'm going to say it. They're up there for me. So these are crazy good, man. They're so nice. They're so nice. I got to get my personal. I can't wait. I can't wait. These are crazy good. Wow. Wow. And I'm noticing something. Okay. So I did get these from StockX. And it looks like StockX, yeah, sent me a one pair. These are, there's dirt all in both of these. There's dirt like crazy. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, but in person there's dirt like crazy on these, to be honest, on the bottom. Not the top portion, but the bottom, there's heavy dirt in there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. But yeah, sometimes still got to go to StockX. You guys know I'm just being honest. Sometimes I still have to go to StockX route because sometimes they're the cheapest, and they will end up the cheapest here on the Reverse Grinches. So, yeah. Crazy good shoe, though, man. I'm shocked on how good these are. I do expect prices to go up. Let me know if you guys think the price is going to skyrocket. And I'm going to be honest, guys. I don't think it's going to take that long. Give it a year, and I expect them to go up. Maybe even less. Maybe even less. I do expect prices to go up because of what they are. And when you look at the original Grinch, Yeah, I expect these reverses to go up. I will say this, though. I do think the reverse Grinch will always remain less than the original Grinch. I don't think they'll be at the same price. I don't think they'll be more. I think they'll remain a little bit less. I have a question for you. Did you cop the Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch? If you did cop, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you guys did not cop, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped the Reverse Grinch and who did not. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Get your giveaway entries in on a free pair of Reimagined Bread 4s. Don't forget to click the link down below in the description. Check out Crease Guards for the fire sneaker bag, the most affordable sneaker bag on the market, and the Crease Guards as well to help you prevent creases in your sneakers. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.